middle, okay, there, and then you have the left marginal. The left marginal are the ones on the left side that brings it all the way from the apex. Those three then are going to drain into the cardiac sinus.
Cardiac sinus.
The other little ones I don't want you to know. That's
where's
okay.
the cardiac sinus?
Can we start at the front again?
Anterior,
what
posterior.
is what?
Yeah, you've got lots of little veins that are going to come in.
What is this one here on this side?
Okay, there we're looking at red. That's an artery.
Oh, okay. So we were doing the veins?
We're doing the veins.
Okay, so this vein here is called...
arteries, there's 4 major arteries.
Okay, which are we going to start, the arteries or the veins? Let's start
I
on
prefer
this
starting
side.
from the arteries because I'm bringing first the blood to the heart and then I'm taking it back.
Okay.
But that's just a matter of...
That's me too. Because this arteries, which artery
So
is
you're
this
going to
one?
have, coming off of the aorta, even before it becomes an ascending aorta...
Take it off?
Yeah, could you? We're going to have 2 little holes. We're going to have the right coronary... No, I don't see it here. It doesn't have it, so don't worry.
This
there,
one?
on that one. See how this comes here? This is the right coronary artery. Right? And then it comes off here to the left, and I can't make it out. Right in here, the left coronary artery. This came off at the same height under there. So as soon as the aorta comes out of the base of the heart, I'm going to have these 2 major branches.
So this artery
The
here.
right coronary arteries,
Right, the right coronary artery is the one that's going to come into the right marginal branch. Here. So then it's going to come down along the right margin, and then it's going to come around the back, okay, into the posterior interventricular branch. Okay.
Posterior interventricular branch.
So the right side is going to do just the right atrium, just the right ventricle, and the last lateral wall of the heart. The left coronary artery is going to do now the anterior, okay, so it's going to actually do the first, it's going to do the side, the right, the circumflex.
So the left is really looks like the middle.
Oh, the circumflex.
Okay?
That's going to the back?
The circumflex, correct.
Okay, circumflex is where over here. This
Goes
one
around
up here.
the left side, and
Is that this?
a left marginal branch.
Is that this one up here?
Correct.
That's the circumflex.
That's the circumflex.
Okay, that wraps
Coming
around.
and then it's going to come down the side.
And it's going to come down the side. Where?
Comes around the side.
Okay, that down. Okay.
And to the left marginal, correct.
Okay. And it because it
And
comes
then
back
it's going to
up.
come back into the... No, then it's either going to branch into that circumflex branch, which goes down and... around and down, or the one that's directly going to come down the middle, which is the anterior interventricular.
Okay, around.
Which was here. This is the
Circumflex.
anterior interventricular artery.
The middle one is the anterior interventricular.
Because that was going to bring all the blood.
Anterior ventricular vein.
Also, but we were looking at the arteries.
Yeah, I was just putting
Okay.
a point of somewhere to go.
Okay. Now then it's going to be so it drains in, it feeds the heart via 4 major arteries, but then it's collected in those 3 that we said already. Okay. And then those 3 come to the coronary sinus. The coronary sinus, I don't have it in that model,
But right here?
you're going to see where the coronary sinus empties into the right atrium. There's like a little hole. See that hole right there? That red dot in there?
Oh yes.
I don't know if you can see that. That's going to be the coronary sinus orifice. That's where the coronary sinus brings the blood back into.
And it's that.
That right there.
Okay.
Make sense? So that's the whole circuit of blood to the heart.
Yeah. Post this right here. Post top of that.